The Seagate portable hard drive, this is the 5 terabyte, and it goes without saying this is truly a quality product. As you see, it is all of 4 1/4 inches long. It is every bit of maybe a 1/2 inch thick. Super easy to install. The great thing I love about Seagate, I've been using Seagate for many, many years. And if I just hit my USB button here, it automatically turns it on and I can execute that from my desktop real easy. And it immediately brings up my Seagate and I can use my start here to install it. It has your manual and everything that you need, your warranty information on it, and of course your toolkit. You also have your onboard that it brings up on the screen. So down here I have my small icon and I can pop it right up. Yes, I am definitely enjoying it. I will leave more feedback later. But as you can see, you have your onboard screen right there. Unlike other hard drives, the Seagate drive automatically gives you all of your toolbar. It tells you how much you've used and how much you need, or how much you have left of it. You have your backup, your restore, and even your mirroring. So you can really easily just go through there and it's going to throw up the little side bar. I love that. So if you are shopping for a hard drive, and you can even select the drive, so there are so many options with it. You can, of course, minimize it if you want to, or close it off, whichever works for you. But I would recommend this portable Seagate. This is a product that has been around for many years. I have used Seagate ever since I've owned a computer. And I mean, we are talking 1995 forward. I believe 2000 is when I actually purchased my very first Seagate. And it was for my PC. It was a larger tower. And even then, it had like 500 gigabytes of being able to back up and save information. And once again, an onboard menu. And all they've done now is just made it more vertical, where before it was horizontal. This is my 3rd external hard drive from Seagate. This is the 5 terabyte. My other one is a 2 terabyte that's for my other laptop. And then I still have my tower one. Here is what I want to add about the Seagate external hard drive. If you were using a system, a laptop, a computer, PC, whichever, and you had your backup information on that hard drive, and you need to move it and port it into a new desktop or PC, laptop, whichever you're using, you can do that with a Seagate hard drive. Additionally, if that one has given you out on you and exhausted, you can simply take and format it for your new computer. In other words, there's really no formatting necessary unless the computer tells you that it needs it. So you can connect that external hard drive to your new device and begin using it as an external hard drive. It still houses the information that was backed up from your previous device, as well as now you can use it for your new device. And that way you never lose anything. So trust me when I say you can trust Seagate products. You can't go wrong. It is not easily jarred. You can port it. It is designed that you can throw it in your pack and take it with you. I love Seagate products, and I stand behind them, and I give you my word, you will not have any issues or concerns with where's my stuff. Back your hard drive, back it up on a regular basis. Keep it attached to your hub. Simply turn it on and run your backup on a regular basis. If you are putting new information on there every day, then back it up every day. You can't go wrong. That way you can easily execute that information, whether you are taking it with you somewhere else and plugging it into a computer and need to open up that, open up your files and information, or whether you're using it to back up information from the changes you are making on a daily basis, especially if you are a business owner or someone who does a business where you need to house information that's very important. The great thing about the portability is if you really needed to, you could port it over to the hard drive, take it off, and free up your space on your existing device, and then always have it. You can also lock that up in a safe if that be a concern for you. So recommend the Seagate 5 terabyte, 2 terabyte, whichever level you want on the hard drive. Get the bigger one. I always recommend the bigger one because once you start using it, you're going to love it, and you have a large one. And they're very affordable. So, for the quality and the bang for your buck, get more than one.